शुरू करें। Identifying feelings and emotions is a very important part of the process to understand कि आप जो feel कर रहे हो वो exactly क्या है. If it is anger, sadness, depression, maybe even happiness. One of the key steps of actually knowing this is owning your emotions. It's like जब आपको pizza order करना होता है, so you pick up the phone and order the pizza, right? That's how you complete the want circle. And everyone goes through this process of owning the emotions. You want to watch a movie, you see it. You feel angry, you say it. You are happy, you share it. आप अपने emotions को express करके ये बात assure करते हो that you are actually feeling it and it is not for anybody else. अगर आप ये responsibility ना ले, then it can lead to a different set of actions from you. Let's say आपको vacation पे जाना है and you're stuck because of your office work and you think कि अगर ऑफिस से छुट्टी मिलेगी ही नहीं तो पूछना ही क्यों, एंड यू एंड अप बिहेविंग वेरी बिटरली एट ऑफिस, एट होम और अराउंड योर फ्रेंड्स. व्हेन आस्क्ड, यू आर बाउंड टू से कि वर्कलोड बहुत ही ज्यादा है एंड पुट योर ब्लेम देयर इंस्टेड ऑफ आइडेंटिफाइंग विद द फैक्ट दैट यू सिंपली वांटेड टू रिलैक्स. Now this is normal. अगर आप अपनी feelings की responsibility नहीं लेते हो तो you end up passing it on to somebody else. He's irritating me, she's making me angry. You don't know what you're talking about. जब आप irritate होते हो and you think that the cause of irritation is somebody else, you start correcting their behavior because you think that the problem is there and solution की ज़रूरत भी उनको है. And you end up getting irritated at someone, screaming at people and even physically hurt them.
Dropping ज्ञान.
Feelings को own करना begins with the fact that your feelings take birth in you. Understand कि others can put you in situations, you can still choose to feel one thing or the other about it. किसी ने आपके ऊपर चिल्लाया, in place of screaming back at them, you can simply smile, nod and walk away. If we don't own this ability to choose and stick to the fact that we did, we will end up resting our base of emotions on others. Which is like अपने कार की ड्राइवर सीट पर किसी और को बिठा देना और ये कहना कि वो हमारे जैसे ड्राइव नहीं कर रहे. It sounds pretty weird, right? But it's quite real. When we do this, we try to justify our emotions and actions as a byproduct of what others do to us. I am mad because he or she did so and so to me. Instead of this, try and frame your sentences like he or she did whatever to me and I feel this instead. अपनी choices को जगा दो. Owning your emotions can make you independent of what others do and say to you. आप अपनी choices में clear रहते हो and you know exactly what you want and can work towards it. But इसकी शुरुआत कहाँ से करें? What is the how part of it? तो इस एपिसोड में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगा 3 ऐसे key pointers that can help you with this understanding. Let's begin. Number 1. Stimulus to feelings. The idea is quite simple. हमें लगता है कि situations हमें feel करवाती है, whereas sometimes it is the other way around. हमारी feelings की वजह से situation create भी हो सकती है. For example, let's say there are two people A and B, and I say that A is a thief. A एक चोर है. While B may not have any other response, A might want to break my nose. Now, my feeling that A might be a thief made me call him that, but he is not, which makes him want to break my nose. Our feelings are going to cause these actions. Number 2, 5-minute rule. Now when you know that your feelings can cause you to say things and might lead A on to feeling bad about it, you can stop for 5 minutes and check if it is right or wrong. If you have facts to support what you say, if it can be proven or if it is just a feeling, will it cause any effect? If A checks his or her feelings too, my nose can be saved. Number 3, guide way. Let your feelings be a guiding mechanism. You don't feel good about someone or something, it is a discovery that you have made about yourself. Now it can help you in understanding if you want to continue with that person or a thing or not. For example, if you want to continue with a job or a relationship or not. If you want to continue to put that effort or let it go. Your feelings can be a great way to understand yourself. इन सब बातों में मजा तब आएगा when they actually work for you. So let's take a little homework and see if it helps. Next time when you have a disagreement, lay down all the arguments based on how you feel and what you need and why, and avoid anything in blaming. See if it makes a difference. I hope आपको आज का एपिसोड पसंद आया होगा. If you or anyone you know needs any help regarding depression or anxiety, check out the website link जो नीचे description में दिया है. There is news, stories, blogs and more. Share this video with as many people as possible because you don't know किसको इसकी जरूरत पड़ जाए. मेरा नाम है प्रथमेश. Signing off. खुश रहो, keep smiling और सुनो दरवाजा खोलो. Please be kind to the person next to you. Thank you.